Arale. Nna. Onye achọla ịbụ gọvanọ anyị. Nwa achakwala ife ọ ga-acha. None of actually ịbụ gọvanọ Anambra steeti. Onye ka m ga-atụ ịkwado amakwa m ifu nnekwu. Ka m chọọ afịa biko. Nwa ya achị anyị. Nwa ga-achị anyị ooo. Ya biko ya pụta. Ọ ga-achị ọma. Ife mmelụ dike. Hey! Onye AAC chọrọ echi anyị. Ọ ga-achịkwa fine girl at least. Enweghị ha iji ebiri. Mgbe ụfọdụ gọvanọ anyị gafee anyị nekwa ya anyị na-enwe hope. Ọ bụ ebe esoro anyị bekee. Amaghị mgbe na-aghọta ịchọpụta. You take blessed concepts. Akwezua. Olisa Edmond. Gabu, president wife. Solomon, long time, or it's been over 20 years. Who be this? President wife. I can't know you with this name. But you calling me by that name shows you know me. The Viking. Who is the president? Is he president's wife or what? Yeah, president wife. Can you please make me understand who you are, please? You said 20 years. That should be 2005. Yo, that was a long time, man. What's your real name, please? Cheche. Yeah. You see decoded. Cheche. J White is the one MSC for. Is this president wife? Joy, I can see you. Says way back in Onitsha with Dato Arinze. We call Arinze. Which Arinze? In Onitsha. That's at 2005. Arinze. Yo, I can't remember now. Arinze, is it by Benjamin? Ogochukwu? It's me, Ogochukwu. Ogo, are you, okay, Awada. Arinze and Awada. Yo, it's been a long time, I can't even remember again. 20 years, yo. 20 years. That's a long time, man. 20 years. Chingozire Michael. God's Love TV. You take one there. Achiki. Yeah, up now. Kekime. Louise. Thank you, President wife. I got you. Please, you know what you can do for me so that we can talk after here? You can just DM me. Let's talk so I can get to understand it, right? Okay, up now. I can hang. All right, so let's get down to business. It's almost 4 minutes before 6 p.m. in Nigeria. And in the next 1 hour, I'll be shutting down. So let me just take you over if I forgot to say, man. There was this lady that is holding a church service somewhere, running a ministry anyway. So a video of her was captured and the video has been going around. So it's not trending anywhere. But the thing is, we saw a lot of women gathered there, singing, dancing, like in their prayer moods, But one significant thing about them all is that they were all painted in black in their faces. Their faces was painted black. I think they used charcoal to paint themselves, like it was a costume and makeup. I don't know what to call it, but what I saw there was just madness. I'm sorry, without mincing words, I must use that word, madness. I don't know what Christianity has turned our people into. They've totally gone mad from A to Z. So sometimes when I see people who still play Jesus allegiance to their bishops, their church, their whatever, it seems to me like crazy, I don't know why we in this part of this Africa are still holding on to all these jargons, all this old system of, holding people ransom. How can you be in this present day painting your face like this? For what? There are things that you need to think. There are things you need to put into considerations before you start making mockery of yourself. You can imagine, you bought something, you gave to your children. No, you didn't give to your children. You gave to only one child of yours, only one among your children. Then when the rest cry unto you like, give to us now, you tell them, okay, go and get it from your brother. Is it done? Is it done? And you will now turn around and tell this whole bunch, I love you so much. Go to the book of John chapter 3 verse 16. It tells you that God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. Oh, really? Your only begotten son. And what are we? So after listening to all this nonsense, you see that it is not making any sense. Only begotten son. Now, there was a war in heaven. They fought, and Satan came out of that war undefeated. Then all you had to do was to send him here where your children are, the ones you claim to love. You send that same troublemaker down here. You didn't give us anything to cover ourselves against him. We are just like vulnerable. And he's now taking advantage of us. You turn around again, telling us that whoever does not adhere to your commands, or whoever, you know that this man is a deceiver. Even you find it difficult to be with him, and you send him down here. What about other galaxies that exist? Millions of them. You couldn't find anywhere appropriate for him. They taught us about all the planets in existence. The ones we know, about 9 or 12 of them. We know about the Mercury. We know about the Pluto. We know about the Saturn. We know about the Uranus. We know about the Earth. And we know about Venus. We know about, what are their names? You didn't find anyone, even Mars. You didn't find them okay for him to go and stay. You now make him to come and stay with us here, with all his problems, and you say you love us. That kind of love is questionable, and I think it's a stupid love. There is no way I can have children and I will still bring problem to them. Do you get? You know that this man it's just like leaving your children in your house, and you left them with a snake. A snake you could have killed. You let that snake crawl into your house, and your children are there. See, your children are vulnerable. To avoid being beaten by this snake, what do you have to do? You are telling them that all power has been given unto them to do this and do that. What power did you give to them? To stand against you? The same man that you couldn't, yet you went and prepared a place where people will burn forever. You prepare it for the children you love. You see, when you are going to this church of a thing, I think you don't need brains anymore, because that's what it is. For you to be a church member, you don't need brain. You must be a mugu, original mugu. And when I looked at those people, their number, they were in numbers, and who came forever. We are not even up to 4. The rest were women. Why are these pastors banking on these women, using them? That's why your mom will always tell you, remember to pray. You must go to church wherever you find yourself. Go to church, as if church has any good role to play in your life in this present 21st century. When I came back to Nigeria, you see, I was fuming. I was filled with rage against all this nonsense church. Wherever you go, church. You look at the country, everything is upside down. People are becoming wicked on a daily basis. But we have highest number of churches in this country, but everything is upside down. It's appalling. Now from that video, man, I felt like crying for our people. The mother needs yali. I could think man can I touch man can I kwa can get women. Cause we're born faithful. Kwa. One short girl I didn't and cable Kobe. When I see na fa one de short, na fa bukwa no mad. Why no mo ka da for this that why adasasi anachi. Getting our son. Stupidity of our people. Getting our son. Eba ho no kwie. We dey iche no kure eba no kure anilo. If ụmụ nwaanyị anyị na-believe no ka kafa ga-afụ di. Man, ị na-eme ezigbo mistake. Onwe any reasonable man na-achọ nwaanyị na-abịa n'ụlọ ụka chọọ ya because ọ ma na ihe niile ajụrụ ebe a bụ pretenders. Ụmụazị hook up na-abịa church. So looking for a wife, I don't think, even when I wanted to marry, when I came down here in Nigeria, I started looking. I was asking myself, where do I start? I stayed in Lagos for a little while, for like a month. I had to come down to the east. I came here to look for a wife. I still didn't know where to start from. Should I go to the bank? How do I go about it? In the morning, you dress up, you go to Access Bank, you keep assessing those women to see if, and looking at them from the counter, you won't even know whether they are tall or short. So how do I go about this? Walking from bank to bank. What if they start suspecting you? Maybe they catch your face on camera here. In their next branch, they see what exactly, where do you start? Okay, you say you want to go to the church to start looking. So automatically, when the church service is going on, you are not paying attention because your eyes will be here and there, or you wait for that moment when people stands up to dance, or when they're coming for offering, you keep looking at women instead of focusing on church you came for. You see why I was telling people that most men that came to church, they are not coming there because they loved God or they want to give their life. Most of them are coming there to see the women who comes, to see which one you can pick. That's what they do. Now, I now thought about going to the market. Is it sales ladies I'm going for? Where do I start? Should I go to Alaba International or Trade Fair or Mandela? Where do I start from? So I got confused. So I later found outside the church, on the street, that's where I met her. She was on an errand. You see, you can find your partner, you can find your wife anywhere, not in the church. Those ones that found themselves in the church, they later ended badly because they were all pretenders. She didn't come to this church because she was looking for Jesus. Rather, she felt that this is the right place where somebody can spot them and believe that they are good, but they ain't good at all. I would even prefer to get somebody in the club than there. Somebody who's got a good vibe. Yes, I'm telling you, somebody with a good vibe. So all these people are just deceiving themselves. Once it's time for altar call, come and see them. You see how desperate they can be. Sure. Now, moving on, shifting from this very angle. How am I going to marry all women? I'm not going to marry all women. I was looking. When you want to get married, that's when you know that women are scarce. So I've always spoken to men in particular. When you find one as a wife, please try to hold on to that one. Oh, humble yourself to make it work out. You are the only one that will make it work. She's full of chakara, she's full of nonsense, but you must contain her. Contain it all. Yes, you don't even need to tell anybody because the ones you are going to complain to, they're having their own issues at home. So you must find a way to manage it. None of them is perfect. They are full of shit. But you must choose your own shit. That's it. That's the thing. You must choose your own shit. Somebody who is willing to listen to you, respect you. That's all. So I'm not going to marry all of them. Who? No. Who they do hook up? Somebody I found in my own village. In my village. She was a young girl then. A very young girl. I married her at a very young age. You should understand me now. Yeah, man, if I'm not going to be here. Eje nwere ya mgbe a na-akara ọbịa mụ ịbịa ime ewe jejeti ihe tege it's not fake. That's how I speak my own English. Everybody has his own way of expressing himself. That's how I learned mine. I wasn't taught in your universities. You understand? So when you see me speaking, it's not fake. I don't know which one is original, which one is fake. This is how I speak my own grammar. That's how I learned mine. I learned it. It's not my language. That's how I learned my own English. So when I use it, don't think it's a fake or I'm using a fake accent. It's not a fake accent. That's how I learned it. Okay? Even to tell you, in 1996, most guys that knows me in Onitsha, when I used to rap, listen, when I used to rap, you think I've been to America before. That was then. I'm telling you, 1996. I was staying there in Fegeden. I used to rap in clubs. Like when there's shows, I come there and rap. I was a rapper. I never knew I could end up not being a top musician in this country. I'm telling you. Then I used to speak like, I grew up in Lagos. I came to Lagos at the age of 13. So I was still developing. Whatever comes into my head then. And what I used to help myself, I used to buy a lot of novels then. Mills and Boom, James Hadley Chase, and the rest of them. So they helped me a lot then. So for the fact that the books I read then was mostly Americans. So I was using their English, like when you say that ain't nothing, it ain't no good. Using that word A-I-N-T, ain't, you know, that word, not everybody. Using God is not our thing. Using cop instead of police is not our thing. But when you're using it now, people think maybe you are forming. It's not forming. That is how I learned my own grammar. It's not a fake accent. No. I was a rapper. Oga Tupac in Ewi. Kuliova. Kedavava. B.I.G. Snoop Doggy Dogg. Lil Bow Wow. Naughty by Nature. You name them. I can even rap. You can rap only and rap only. Ima that song I about OPP. Who's down with OPP? Yeah, you know me. Who's down with OPP? Yeah, you know. Imegwa. You drew a picture of my money, but you couldn't remember my day. Hey, I'm rocking you, you're yawning, but you never look my way. I'm licking down your darling, every single way. Your funny flow is foreign, and Negricas on the way. This ain't gonna do with the charm, but watch your head and shoulders. Brother, older, brother, to for the way you catch. I read the further for the middle. I'm gonna get a quick mother type. I will game boy, good rapper. I know, bro, killer. Not up, we got not too mega, not up, and not too mega. First up, fuck you, bitch, and the click you claim. West side, when we ride, coming quick with the game. You claim to be a player, better fuck your wife. We bust on bad boys, niggas fuck for life. Plus, Puffy try to see me weak, has sorry. Biggest Moss and Junior Mafia, some monkas, bitches. We keep on coming while we running for your Jew. Steady gunning, keep on busting as the fools. You know the rule. Little Caesar, go ask your homies, I will leave you, cut your young guys up. Say you in pieces, not be the seed. Little King, don't fuck around with it. Just quick to snatch your ugly ass off this season. Fuck peace. I let the niggas know what's down for life. But let the west side ride tonight. Bad boy, mother don't wax and kill. Fuck with me and get your cash paid. You know, see, grab your clocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Oh, who shot you? But the punks didn't finish. You're about to feel it rather for minutes. Nigga, what he did? Check this out. You motherfuckers know what time it is. I don't even know where I'm on this track. You all niggas even on my level. Oh, my little homies right now. You bitch me, that's bad. Okay, go see I'm a rapper. Oh no, go strong. On Diana Snoop. rolling down. Hey, hey. No, I used to rap. I was a rapper. Oh, yo, I want them. Yo, welcome. And I got the hate 3K before. Oh, we change go. I swear, it will change go. This time around, the fade is life is somehow easier than before. Okay, oh, he want to use the webuta. We are webuta. Your akraka go. Wanna who are you question give follow ya? That's why. Okay, Nollywood do better on nature. If you are no talent everywhere. It's for guys, fresh graduates everywhere, you know. No, the time I was in Nigeria here then. I was in Nigeria. I only went to live in South Africa much later. That was 2009. That's when I left Nigeria. You see, it was like about 16 years ago. So Mbezia, rap Bazia, those things. So again, lose out. I was only focusing on movie, not music. Movie. Then before I joined this comedy stuff, I was into comedy too, running my shows in SA. From 2015, I was running my shows. Then Abuko's wedding. So why I was bringing up these things, bro? How we've evolved. Now, the topic of this today's gathering borders on who makes up the 6 states of Southeast. Is it going to be Adada states? Just as Kenneth Okonkwo was proposing, even on his interview, he was proposing Adada state, having its capital in Nsukka. Though, to be honest with you, you know, Enugu state is so big that portion should be a state of its own. But for the fact that people from this divide where I am, like you say, Asaba, which is Asaba falls into Oshimili South local government. Then we have Oshimili North. We have Ndokwa East, Ndokwa West. Then we have the rest of them. Eka North, Eka South. So I want to Ndi Igbo never ya umunede, which ima umunede, ima their ancestry, no side there goes. Igbo bi n'ụzọ, ima no side there. Ọkpanam, Ọkpala Anam, na Anambra State. So most of them, even Asaba na onwe ya, Ahaba, ibe niile bụcha ha nwere their ancestries. Osigu na Nando, osi na imago na Anambra ebe a, most of them bụ ebe a ka ha sicha wee cross ta. Mana today, due to after Kano Chalogo Ano, the Ogu Melofa to renounce Igbo, their Igbo-ness, for fear of if when we can retain their jobs, find themselves in the Nigerian good books and stuff. So now I believe that Nobu Nage went one more state. Though Ekuchagoku he went one state. The committee set it up in the legislature. House of Rep and House of Senate. Ha bagi abachanya ekwetego na agenye Southeast one more state. Mana na ekuzi kedo nga agenye oka enye Adada ka obu kenye etiti state. Etiti, yes, enwere etiti state. Nwe Adada state. Nwe Anioma state. Where nke actually itinyebu anyị mgbe ni agbolo Olu state. So to a case where mecha anya. Now etiti a court across the 4 states. Court to Enugu, court to Abia, court to Ebonyi, court to Kwa Imo. Iji wee meta one state. So but for me as mmadụ and the ịkpọta ndị Igbo nso kafa malụ and the land size ka enwe ike mee ya ka ọ dị mma ka anyị butukwuo ibu. ekwesị iwelu onye ọbụla kwesịrị support ka enwee Anioma steeti. Onye Anioma kwetara na ya bụ onye Igbo, mana onye ụkwụ anị na-agbaghalị na ya bụrụ onye Igbo, yet afa ya bụ afa ndị Igbo. Ịma na enwe kwale, ụfọdụ kpọrọ ya kwale, ụfọdụ kpọrọ ụkwụ anị, ife njimali ya bụ ụkwụ anị, you know. Ndị nke ndokwa akụrụ egwu ya na-anụ egwu anị ndokwa ọma mma anị ndokwa ọma mma ijebedebe ihe agba egwu a. So ndị nke a bụkwa Igbo nke anyị. So anyị ncha niile bụ ndị Igbo. I will propose na a ga-enye anyị. So nwanne, I don't know, ọ bụrụ na gị nwazi n'onwe gị n'ihi na support ka enwee Anioma steeti, you can still, nwere ike ịkpọ anyị, you call in, ịgwa anyị ọkwa na idela anyị ya na comment. Let's know what's up. What do you think? I kwesịrị inwe Anioma steeti ka anyị nwee Adada steeti, ka etiti steeti, ka Olu steeti, and then the rest of them. Kedu sense ọ make it to you? Hey, Mercy Speaks, how you doing? I'm Sele, I greet you. Munachim Soje. SOV, I greet you. Neyo Khalifa. Angel Kind. Kenkeneme. Nedu Ojoko One. Ona Kadenza J. Is one mercy for. I greet you. Yes, I used to be everywhere. Now if I searching for freedom. Ncholo kamwanalo poverty, kambanye na financial freedom. So I was trying everything possible. Anything that can give me money, I was doing it. I started struggling at a very tender age, not a joke. I started struggling at a very tender age. Because life wasn't that smiling. It wasn't smiling at me at all, you know. But thank God today. After coming, when I look back to see how far I've come, man, I thank God. So one of our brothers here, who is Igwe Karo, says Anioma or nothing. So Sweet Soul says, I'm supporting Olu State. Olu has caused a lot of trouble in Southeast. So you prefer they should stand as a state of their own, so that trouble gets too far. They should approve that Anioma State, so that those part of Delta Igbo should be put on Southeast. Yes. Yes, we are getting somewhere. At least Anioma is Enyefa Anioma Fabulu State. One more state, make ya up 6 states, then a Southeast. So ena anatagodu, ena kwara agacha Bini, emane no na Igbo. Ebanye go Southeast. Abro efe South Yes, emane no na Southeast. Isi na cha ena kwara agacha that Bini. Obro Southeast. Utaka esikwesi imia. And oga mama. So, as a man to Chijoke says, following political angle, all sensible Igbo persons should support Anioma State. Instead of splitting us, it's better we bring our people together. Yes. So, Munachim Soje says, Anioma State is my preference. All right. House of Kai, I see. Swiss says so they should stand on their own as Olo. But we are not interested in that Olo, for the fact that Okija, Iyal, and some of us, we are now piled together with these people in Olo. And like you said, their problem. I should better remain Anambra. You know? Yes. So I don't know. What's your thought on this? So for Chibike Nicholas says Anioma State will be a good choice. Of course. We better go with Anioma State. So Senator Ned Nwoko, who has been pushing for it, he sponsored it himself. Pushing for it. I think we should rally around, support Anioma State, so that our brothers in Delta should stop seeing themselves as if they are not Igbos. So after which we look at Iqueres of River State. Those ones who are still saying we are not Igbos, but most of them knows they are Igbos. So we continue in that manner. I tell you, one day And that is not that's not all. They said after creating one state in Southeast, then they will now start creating one again from each of the regions to make it 7 states. All right, to make it 7 states. I know we're gradually we are getting somewhere. The way I'm positioning Nigeria, I'm not seeing Nigeria getting any better in 2030, 2035. No, because these evil politicians will still be around then. If you look at what's going on in Cameroon today, you see why Cameroon is like this. All those old cargoes who has refused to die and also has refused to vacate their offices so that the younger ones can step in. They are still holding on. Imagine that the one in charge of election is about 91 years. The one that is re-elected is about 92 years. And all their chief of this, chief of that, chief of this, head of this department and that, they are from 80, 82, 90, 91, 92. Imagine ancestors ruling a country. Where are they going? Nowhere. So when I saw this lady who is contesting for the position of a governor in Anambra State come November, it just left now. That was just a beautiful asset. She's a lady, and now she wants to be our governor, and I don't mind. I can vote her. She's got a good, yeah, look at the lady here. Take a look. Do you see her? Take a look, bro. Take a look, please. Yeah. Now watch. So she's gonna be the next governor of Anambra State. I'm gonna vote her. Oh, they are kind of chọ. All right, so Chimerogo Amadi says, please, no, let's support Adada State because of the historical location of the area. Remember the old kingdom of Nsuka where the Owele of Onitsha lived till his death. Remember UNN. No, we still need UNN to remain in Enugu. We like the size of Enugu. Let's integrate these people. It's better. Enugu is already secured. Okay? Swisso says, oh, no, I know you will never support Olu State because they are pushing you guys to that. Bye. And Dogu Ibilibo Agada says, no need of creating another state inside Southeast unless they are willing to give Southeast 7 states. Justin Brennan says, oh no, I am sensing that Yorubas are planning to leave from being one Nigeria. If you look at what Tinubu and the Lagos State governor are doing. Remember, this is I read this one today. You know that the Northerners, once we are pushing for Southeast to leave Nigeria to be on their own. So many other Igbo lawyers now are joining them in suit to push for Southeast to leave Nigeria. Which, Nnamdi Kanu too was clamoring for it when he's asking for referendum. So we'll be experiencing the first referendum maybe in a month or 2 months' time because of this one more state creation. So, to create a state is not an easy thing. To create a state, you need the legislature, boundary adjustment will be called into this. So people will mark their boundaries, and that's where referendum falls in. Are you guys interested in this new state, or you want to remain with the old one? So if you think that the old one is favorable to you and you guys opt for the old one, you stay. If you guys says no, cede us to this new one. Just like what happened in Bakassi when they chose to stay with the Cameroons and they are there. Then there was a referendum. I think that was it 1963 or thereabout? I can't remember exactly when the referendum took place, and the people from the Cameroon, northern part of Cameroon now, they now decided to stay with Nigeria. That's how we came about this Taraba state today, which was former Gongola state. And when it was Gongola, Yola was the capital. They later changed the name from Gongola to Taraba. No, sorry, Adamawa. Adamawa, yes, exactly. So the referendum took place. So we'll be experiencing it because most of us were not there when they conducted the referendum. So those of you who have been hearing Mazin Nanukano says, give us referendum, I think the time has come for you to experience that referendum. See how it is conducted, for you to understand how this whole thing works. It's not just about saying them. Most of the things you are saying today, you've not seen it before. You've not seen the exercise. So when it happens now, your eyes will be opened so that you can be following government closely. Just like when they did the census, and somebody like Owazurike called out our people and said, do not participate in that thing. Do not participate. And the rest of the country participated, and they were given a better position and leaving us today. That federal government will tell you that Igbos, maybe they will use the result they had at hand and tell you that Igbos are about 40 million, when you know too well that we are more than that. And once it's like that, when it comes to revenue sharing, the sharing formula of the revenue, you see, they give to people that has a higher number. Just like when Kanu was given 44 local governments. And that is why Tinubu, when he was the governor of Lagos State, he tried to create many more local governments in Lagos, bringing it to the total of 54 local governments in Lagos State. And that was when Obasanjo says, never, that will not happen. As the president of the country, he even sees the allocation for Lagos State, and then Tinubu, you knew how he maneuvered things, and he kept moving, never bothered about the allocation seizure. So some of the things you've been hearing, you've not seen them happen. The time is coming now when you'll be seeing them playing out, so that when we tell you, see how this thing should be done, you will see that what we're saying is true. When it's time for census, all we need to do is call our people, make sure you are counted, because it counts and it matters. And when it's time for voting, this is the voting process. This is what you need to do. Now we have moved from the era of non-camera phones to when we have camera phones, to when we have camera glasses, to when we have all these devices that can, so it will be very, very difficult now to rig elections, even when they're introducing their BVI or whatever it's called, BVAS, whatever they call it, during the 2023 general elections. So we know that more will come. We'll be developing little by little, and it gets to that point where you won't find it easy anymore to rig elections. And by then, our people, through their participation in the politics, they would have gained more grounds in those sensitive areas of the elective posts or the political positions. They must have taken a better positions. So you see that before you take or make decisions that will not favor our people, you think twice. So we're getting somewhere, maybe slowly, but surely. That's how it's going to be. So now, still on who supports who, what is your take? So Okolizoshku says Anioma is a way of getting what belongs to us back in a peaceful manner. My brother, that is it. That is it. That is it. To get back our people, to give them sense of belonging, for them to understand that really we are Igbos. So Uchenna Ugu says, I am from Nsukka, but I support Anioma. Exactly. So, yeah, Ojoko Igbo, for me, what I'm wearing, Didi, is it the one I'm thinking? So Peter Okonkwo say, I suggest Oguta as the state capital because it's beautiful topography and historical significance. So Peter Okonkwo, you say your submission, he says Anioma State presents. Let me see if that's your first comment or the second. Okay, he says Anioma State presents with a uniqueness that ties the Delta Igbos into the Igbo heartland. Their dialect, which is similar with Oguta and its environs, their visibility or their viability with regards to economic independence. Okay, I'm sure it's independence. Okay, so the uniqueness that ties the Delta Igbos into the Igbo heartland. That's what it should be. Not even the language alone, but knowing that these are brothers who who were divided, like they were cut off by the river. Is this River Niger that cut them off somehow? If there was no River Niger here, you know how it's going to be. Onitsha would have extended here earlier, not until now. You see, when Asaba was created so many years ago, as a small town it is, nothing was happening. Nothing. So as at 2008, that's when Asaba began to pick up. Things began to happen in Asaba till date. But had it not been for this river, imagine what Asaba would have been like. And not only that, today now you see us Igbos now, the ones that the normal Igbos, you know, from the other side. We now migrated to this side. We are now making a huge impact, even in this capital city of Delta, which is Asaba, and beyond. When you go to a place like Opanam, you'll be like, wow. Even coming from Lagos, you watch from Express, you look by your left, you see for yourself. Now we are now extending it to the other side of it. That's where you have the airport. We are extending to that side, that developing everywhere, moving up to Akuku Igbo and stuff, going to Munede or Nichubo them. So we are going somewhere. This place is Abendi Igbo. All we need is Ndi Anioma. See, push for it. Let's have Anioma as a state, one of the states, make it up south east. South Adigolo for 6 states. So taking out these 9 local governments, you can even take 2 local governments from Anambra, join Oya. You can join them with Ogbaru. Yes. Gekwanti. Ogbaru no nime. Ogbaru be a local government of its own. Ogbaru be a local government of its own. Ogbaru comprise that Ogbaru. Ogbaru be 10 communities. Kawadi 10 villages anyway. 12 minutes to check where. Ogbaru the 10. Then enwalo idemilifa imagondiano within that place. Oboko bu Ogbaru local government. You know? So itu akos wega obo ano obukalilo. So you can join them there. Even Okija self, you can carve out Okija, carve out Ihiala, carve out Uli, carve Olia like that. Well, you join one there. Yes. For me, Unga like yourself. Makachi. There be along the river. There be along the river. Iwapia from Anambra, join Waya with Anioma. It's not about name. Even creating one more state self, okay, good development. Yeah, I love that. And can be a malo na fabundi Igbo. Onye umuneda amani abo onye Igbo. Onye Onichubu amani abo onye Igbo. Onye Iseluku amani abo onye Igbo. Isela Asaba amani abo onye Igbo. Ogwachi amani abo onye Igbo. Ibuza amani abo onye Igbo. Etu andi ani in pharmacy. Yes, na ibundi Igbo. No one or 2 ways about it. Let her go. All right. So I don't know. What do you think? People from TikTok, I've not been seeing your comments. Are you comfortable with Adada state, Etiti state? Which one? Olu state? Which one are you comfortable with? For me, I go for Anioma state. You know, when this Abunenwe state government can deal with that issue in Olu, if I have more belief. If I was the governor of Imo State, I am not called the Akoka. You are not called the Akoka anymore near my state. You were the Koya in the first place. I know the God to you, Kuyana. You were born to see a boom mother, na my state. And I called the Akako. Kill Pulia in a German straight. You run and gabron Katainaba. Oh, you way yana rodia. Kebala and you. But as a G make a statement next time. Mark is a book. So Anioma is the best proposer. Thank you, my bro. Okoli says Anioma will develop fast. Only the name is sweet. So sweet things will follow that state. Anioma, the Alpha Maloma. So Anioma, we will have to support Anioma. Kana ibukwu ibu, ka Southeast bukwu ibu. Enugu akita, I draw go the map already. I am a kai in land mass. Oh, Kwijen and Kai Tiwa into two. You are not gaining. You are not gaining. To gain, we need collect more lands that belongs to you, which was taken from you systematically. They took it from you by using a subtle way to brainwash the people to see themselves like they are not part of you. So their land, your own land, was ceded to another region, which was called South. So now, if you can reclaim your land, if your size join Ukwo pending, Oga create one state from each of the regions. Maybe I will consider that Enugu. If any you able that now, I wouldn't be Lugo guy can name where Ofu. Corrupt people during the Fourth Republic. Oga Basanjo Bata 99. I will get the Senate President, slot Igbo, Senate President Made under 2-term Obasanjo. Onye nka no achiri oku wadia nuku, onye nka achiri oku wadia nuku, onye nka achiri oku wadia nuku, enwofu. Too bad. You know? Igbo niile ga support ka enwe Anioma State. Ka I gain no this side, ka ọ Southeast. Because so if I was able Southeast, not South. Fa wee Baasa, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Rivers, Delta, and Edo. Maya South. Yes. Southwest, Lagos, Ogun, Osun, Ondo, Oyo, and Kenke Mezulian, Abamwe Ekiti. Manabe can propose who, yeah, Kekwan Kozano. Kenka Mezuru, Southwest, Lagos, Ogun, Ondo, Oyo, Osun, Parakaiti area. Southwest, yeah, I go Kwara, yeah, Kwara. It is in North Central. North Central, we have Abuja, Nasarawa, Kaduna, Fanandioti, even Benue, Fanandioti. Good. Then they went Northwest, went Northeast. So near Ninega, they prepared for one state. Okay, we may 7 years ago. So Maz, Adada, nke Enugu, use one nke Enugu, Tiwa into 2. Yes, Nsuka abro capital because Nsuka alone, Ebuka. Nsuka is too big. Okay, the governor got on at that state. We can take proper care or charge over if any men at the border of Enugu and Benue State. Yet ago, yeah. Otu akoge si we mama. In Asaba, we already Anioma filling station. Yes, I have Anioma filling station close to my house, not Madam Road. Yeah. Okay, Ekiti State, Mezulia, na Southwest. Okay, Ekiti State. Yeah. Okay. Abro Kwara. All right. Okay. And Nigeria, believe Nigeria is too big. So for that, I claim more Anioma. I went to Aniai back. Come on, Southeast, believe. At least he joined a map for 8 hours. A man and the Anua, abro minority. Abro they are also like that. So by and by, and then when this like Southeast Governors Forum, and SND was speaking from Southeast. Farmers, if I join, not join if I it will get to a time when River State will start agitating that they want to be part of Southeast. I use you why your name here. Well, he came and Kakita, and I have on a favor. Food development in Abata because na South, this Southeast, and you could not Anioma no one. Obona Anioma Blue Estate, Negent, if even name Obona Anioma Blue Estate, as small as it could be. Obule Estate, be in Nafan where natural deposit like gas, oil and gas, family. The proceeds now from there. If I get we develop eba no also. I get develop your so if you watch what is happening in Asaba now, you got full house low. You need in Asaba now, both in the area of development, community. If not the slow because that the governor focus attention your side any. Of give came on Anioma gafapo. I get one Anioma. So can we no get those beside the fact Kogabo India Asaba bro capital. Can we worry where those you befa. Onya be fake enough. If na governor self ada no carry na Asaba. Oh worry corner no carry. So man here the door. Ụzọ a na-alụ alụ na Asaba for how many months of ụzọ alụ si be ya anọkata ete krota n'enu ya hapụzie ya na ọdịzikwa but unlike ọ bụ mgbe ọkọwa na-achị ebidokwara na fiam alụsigo ihe niile a na-aga but at some point since onye abalị ebe niile ajụ oyi ebe niile dị slow ịjụ a ga-agwa gị ebe niile bịa dị slow ị ga-anọzi na the state ka o si n'ọnụ so imagine oge abịa open up ife abụla state yeah, for if I give you the low ban. Now, by then, when the local governments, they make a fund available for the local governments. Even in they develop, find them where they go. Find them where they go. So I want that development. Before I didn't get up to one, I join on there. I call Southeast, in Abatana Southeast. One no, they okay, Abatana London. They cannot compete. So I will go to wedding. Yeah, it's arrived from time of Igbo due to na fawa Brondi Igbo. Of course, fa Brondi Igbo. Onye nke bụ onye Igbo bụ Ifeanyị Ọkọwa Batan. Watch ife o mee na Asaba. O tili ya mmọnwụ jekwuo na befa bụ agbọ. Tie nya mmọnwụ. Ọlụ ife ọlụ na agbọ dozie Asaba. Word ụzọ niile even after ka ọ pụ aka na alụ ụzọ niile word. Onye Igbo maala ife bụ how to develop. You got to go. So if that in Obo and India Kewapota on Southeast, they would like to compete within the neighbor. I got like even in and out at the same time, we can do businesses together, not in alliance, never many things. So Abu goes where the one Shinazo Koroke came. I greet you. As a man to Chijoke says, Igbo should be playing politics with wisdom, not emotional politics. We need to support this Anioma state for inclusion. Sure. Time will come when the Igbo got water, if politics. You got to go. Back, you got that. No, your brother, Amin Ronige vote here because him a capacity here. If I cholo bona gaga. Now, ono for onye na challenge Soludo for governorship. Ono for the blunder. For if a man. I will post that video later because I'm a long video about it to come later. Ogabia. Bukara says, oh no, I disagree with you with Anioma State because one more state is for Southeast, not for South. How do you give 9 local government a state? And I'm going to find what Kabu the state got join the Southeast. Or if I knew. And I nene eboge favor. I had a mere Ndi abundi Igbo kafabo. You need to bring them in. As long as I with the same Southeast kita. I book Walana Southeast. If we the Igbo-ness in them. So you need your Zeda Jai Bonyi Igbo. And almost again, Niabu Delta Igbo. The Kamen was the Delta and our Southeast. Delta Gabuzi South. Often Yabu Onyi Igbo. Or Zabazi Onyi Igbo, you do have your second Afiabo and a Jolo. Nafiabo or Zemenam. Emano Onyi Igbo. Oga Koga Mani Abu Onyi Igbo. Because Faban also Nanya Fuzani Igbo, Havana, but also don't worry, man, and Andibo never Kofuma. So they need to return home. And Southeast is our home as in the Igbo. So bring your brother back. Integrate him. Let him have that sense of belonging. Whether Mobu 9 local governments, Mobu 10 local governments, we can take them. Yes, or no local government. Ogo na enwekwe local government nko. Onwe ebe ị ga-eje county kafa nwe. Onwe ebe ị ga-eje municipality kafa nwe. And also on and so forth. So it doesn't matter how many local government or the ije na the land size if you can believe. You just check here the land size of those local governments. Who believe very well. I tell you. Ije na agbo, ịma na agbo believe. Ịma na agbo believe. Ụmụnne de believe. Ibe anyị na-ebuchala ibu. Obodo anyị niile na-afọ apụkwa anyị na-agbafe ya na express. Isi express gbaa ya via ọdịghị ka ịba n'ime efu na obulibu. Ebe a na-akpọ ịla ebe a ka Stephen Keshi nke nwụrụ anwụ si ya wepụta. Ya na go side enwe ebe a na-akpọ ebu ịgaba side ahụ ebe ndị Igbo bi ebukakwa. So ka anyị na ụmụnne anyị nọlụ is better na anyị na ụmụnne anyị nọ than na-abịa n'ime anyị tiwakwa anyị again. Yes, enwe district. So kama anyị abịa tiwa nke anyị nwere enwe ka anyị jeje dọta nke na outside dọbata ya inside ka anyị wee dị large nwee ofu okwu. So oge niile na a na-asị nna kedu afa gị and you say you are not an Igbo this that nke agwa m na ọ dị unnecessary. Now when the time comes na onye na-ekwere ọ ga-ekwete o nwere ife a need ịfụ ma kwete. By the time emere ndị a integrate you need ọzọ eji eju anyị bụ onye Igbo ọ ga-ekwete ihe ọbụla anyị na-eme fa ga na-eme ya. Ifu dị shows a ga na-ehost ebe a big actors abịaba ebe a. Meanwhile ebe a bụgodo home for Nollywood godo ị na-afịa. So ihe ndị a nwere fa ga-eji develop before the SS fa nwere gas emefugodo ụdị ego ya na-abatagodo side ha. Igbo you can migrate bata ebe ndị bi Asaba self they know they too hungry like that. So ifu na ebe ọbụla ị nọ n'ịka nọkwa na Igbo etu a ga-esi move oje biri n'Enugu onwe anyị na-ajụ m anything. Otu a ga-esi move oje n'Imo steeti je biri onwe m n'Owerri nobody onwe anyị na-ajụ. Everywhere ị nọ na Igbo dị oke bi na be enwe m ike ije na Owerri na Mbaise kịta chọta ụlọ biri na-eme ma ite mmadụ abịa na-asị ebe ka onye asị ada aka ụdị aka akọ as long as ọ ma na mba onye Igbo etu aka ọ dị by then ị gafetekwa ebe ọbụla so gị biri gburu a na-arụ ụlọ gị n'ọrụ onwe gị nobody is disturbing you. Ndị na-amarago nọ ndị Igbo South East ndị Igbo ke ndị ha tiri ha ọfụ ọkwa ndị Igbo be ha ọ bụrụ ndị mba ọzọ which na check ya from those 9 local governments. That 9 local governments bụ Igbo throughout. You got to go. Then the rest of the local government in the Delta State, Fabro ndị Igbo ebe a ka enwelu ndị Ijo, ebe a ka enwelu Ichekiri, ebe a ka enwelu Urobo, ebe a ka enwelu Isoko, and the rest of them. So ndị nke a bụ nke anyị bụ ndị Igbo ka a na-achọ ka ekobata. Ka anyị cha niile bụrụ ofu ihe ha na-echi ọzọ anyị na-echi ọzọ. Ha na-apịa mmọnwụ anyị na-apịa mmọnwụ. Ha na-observe ihe Ọnịcha na-eme Asaba na-eme ya. Ọ bụ na imere Ọnịcha accept as Igbo. Why na ihe eme ndị accept as Igbo? Ọnịcha Ado, Ọnịcha Ugbo, Ọnịcha Ọlọna. Ofu Ọnịcha Ahaba. Ọkwa ofu Ntụọkpa. Ebe anyị na Ahaba. Igbo ị na-asụ ka ha na-asụ. O nwere ihe dị iche. Ọ bụ Ọnịcha Ugbo, ọ bụ Iselu Ukwu. Kwụ na-ekwu ya bụ Iyase. Onowe Iyase. Iselu Ukwu. Isele Asaba. Yotago. So ihe dị na-abụ Igbo ka ọ bụ. Ọ Igbo. Ebe mbini anyị na-ene anya na nwobro oge na anyị achụfukwu ha we cross the place. All small. In the next, I think na wada afọ Nigeria anywhere in the next 15-20 years. Ana m ene anya in the next 30 years. Oh, my opinion. Ana m stress say gị ife nchelu. Oh, bụ na enenezi isi no make sense. I ma no make sense. It's my opinion. Ihona. Ihona. Onwe nwanne gị hona. Ihe abụ your size. nke a bụ nwanne gị nọ n'akụkụ ewere ya tii na another region and ịgbana iwepụta ya adị ya kịta efocasize gị ha ibu onye ibu more now you are now much bigger so egwu uche ka a na-agba bụrụ ihe ne egwu uche ị ga-eji your brain okay when it comes to size anyị weta ndị a tinye na ya ebu ibu in a proper setup anyị cha niile abụrụ ndị Igbo all right, thank you for those people that made people that have made their contributions. I feel from what people contributed, I feel now all the positivity more on the side of let's have a Anioma state rather than a TT state, Adada state, because those ones I got considered there in the nearest future when all other regions will be gifted with one more state, making it 7. We can now become 7 states from Southeast, just like any other people, any other region. But for now, let's integrate our brothers from the other side of the river so that they can join us in this Southeast. In landmass and in size. And in order to make them Malonafa Bundibu. After all, their language is clearer to you as Igbo than Abakeleke. Truth or false? Obeziokwu ka obasi. Igbo onye Abakeleke na Igbo onye Onitsha Ugbo. Kedu nke kra dị clear n'anya gị? But anyị mana Abakeleke ọkwa Igbo ka ọ bụ kwa South East ka ọ bụ ka ị ga-ewere aje keri ndị South South. Ọ dịghị possible. Ọ dịghị possible. So let's get those ones. Gote ha nso. Anyị dị large. Gbagote na number. Ọ na-ama mma. Where are you from? I'm from Delta, the Delta Igbo. Igbo Abakwani. Whether I'm of Western Igbo, as long as Igbo there, Igbo. Igbo. Thank you very much. I never tell anything. Thank you. Of course, after Anioma, we start looking at Adada state or Etiti state or whatever that comes. But for now, everybody must give a nod to that Anioma state. Because I'm ready to push that campaign. Ndị ọbụla agbagakwanye agbaga, anyị ga-enwe Anioma state. Afia amakado. Afia amalumma. Anyị a ga-efevọ ndị Igbo. After my promising place in the ndị Igbo ezigbo ego. I dey tell you. Ebe a na epuchuo ya ma ọga ị ga-eji anya ga nye the state 10 years. Nye 10 years. Ị ga-afụ ife dị iche ọkwa Ebonyi state ka ụmụ ahijre je transform alụgasịa bridge mee ife niile ebe a ma na mma na ọ bụrụ pride anya anyị na-ekwu go to Ebonyi state and see for yourself. A state that was nothing. Somebody came and turned it around. Now today, if you go to Ebonyi state, you see things happening. Yes, Southeast, our pride, our culture, our people. Then, Anioma state, our pride. Because by the time if I be dokwa, I get bido loban na alone offices dị iche iche ga-abịa. Yotago, o nwere ife a ga-etinyegasịa ihe na-agaba. Because here in Amade na Asaba, all other local governments, I ga-ebubute ego no lobazia n'ife. You know? Even though mekwa ọbụkwa etu esi na ọ na local government ka ọ ga-adịkwa oge a, anyị create megarisia ka o wee nwee ike wee dalụkwa eti ya. Fugia. Yes, thank you for joining in that campaign. Ndị ọbụla ga-join in that campaign, I will love it so much. Let's campaign for this. Ka anyị nwee Anioma state. And I ga-enwe ya. So ndị Enugu nwegodu ndidi. Ndị Enugu nwee ndidi. Ka anyị zọta nke a. The next, anyị ga-epuchukwe campaign for Enugu. No, I ga-enwe Adada state. Side nke anyị dị okay the way we are. Anambra the fine, Imo the fine. Let's continue the way we are. Then eje n'Enugu etiwa anya. Adada apụta Nsụka bụ capital. Abịa side nke a titiwa Delta nya ya Anioma here. We are good to go. Thank you. Okay, benefit onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo. I'm telling you. It will benefit us. Even that time ka ọ ga-abụ eluzie Anioma state governor Anambra State Governor, the two of them can come together, chọọ ife a ga-eme na River Niger in the area of maritime. A ga-achọnwa ife a ga-eme ọ bụrụ na ozi mgbe a ka a ga-edredge Niger because ọ ga-efavor both sides. Ewepụta ego gbaa aja na Niger, onwe ụdị aja a ga-agba dị a mmiri adịkwuo deep, Niger anụnwa adịkwuo deep, so that na light vessels ga na-ebubata containers, and iwu abụọzi na container ga na-abịa n'Ọnịcha. O nwere ike ọ na-akwụsị na Anioma steeti because most importers then ga-anọ there. Brisi ebe a, which today ị na-afụ na most of them nọ si Asaba. Most big boys nọ na Igbo kịta aba Asaba ka ị ga-afụsị afa bi ebe a. So imagine na enwezi create the thing, ihe niile na-ebu all side a ka onye ọbụla ga-efocus. Amami na wata na and watch ị ga-afụ n'oge na-ekwu okwu na-ekwu m na abịa na Anambra enwere ike atụchalụ some local government join ọrụ ndị a, mana enwere ike iweje ọnụ na ọgbaru a side a ka join ya ofu ebe nwa Anambra nwere mmanụ. Soludo ya agbakwaghị oge ejiri nwanne Ebube Agụ ma ndị otu achụba onye si ukwu. Let me take this call, please. What now? VAT now? Sugar Africans. What now? VAT now? Hello? Huh? I'm on live program, but I'm shutting down now. Any problem? I did now. I did it already. You have my card, right? Use it. Sure. To be a man now. To be a man is not easy. Are you serious? No, you know what an Anam. Oh, Anama, Quimon Anam. Quimon Anam, Anambra, and all the commanding Gaffey, the other side, Kogi State. Okay? Anam come. Anam. I'm going to Bruno. Oh, we have a man guy, the Adamiame, due to, and I consider it too bad. When Kayamia, no problem. Tsunami, video. Yes, Ruben. So another is from Edo, Kogi, Benue, another state to join Igbos. There are two, one state. Yeah, I get messy. I'm one. Shim Gozuri Michael says, why so? Okay, somebody says River Niger will play a very important role against Anioma. No. When did River Niger become southeast border? So River Niger has never been the border of southeast, but in a way, Obiakwabo border, in a way, because the Delta on a south, Anambra on a southeast. So all that river divided the two. Within that riverine areas, Ogbaru side there, Idemmili side there, Ega Federal side, Oko. Oko. Agbadazi, Amazim communities in the B side, Jebezi River State, Patani, local government, and Doji. So I don't know much because I don't know about that route. I don't know where in a million. But so we can just see it as, Mana once, Ewetalondia. The River Niger automatically at this acre just million opposite border. We can use it together, all southeast. Import ourselves, choose because I move. We are shifting. Emmanuel will go yourself. Side up all their main base. If you not main market, I'm abusive farm. Which even today. Some people now posting Asaba go go na long. Import Asaba go na Asaba. They stop here, buy whatever. Even guys in Ambuka and we go shop society. Then when we are 18 and whatever, no kweba. So time chinefo ihe na-eme. Abia ebe na achelo shop alu onye obu ibu so that na kwefun shop nọ n'ime ya. Ị ga-enweta nwu shop dị ona Ọnịcha. Ka ngosi go mere dey ka ọ bụ na na-ekwu. neke n'anya ebe ofu shop bulu di ibu a bulu ebe ni si ebe ni jegide wee bịa ebe gwa m ebe ihe je na Ọnịcha na Anambra steeti for the big shop dị ona ebe ka ị ga-afụ ya ọ dịrọ ihe a na-arụ dị abụ ife na-ada bụ ụkwụ na aka ịtụọ 5 cartons no more space so ebe a nọdụ ka modern place and Chinefe a na-alụkwu modern things here anya ka anyị ji ekwusi ndị nọ ebe a na find a way to develop that place. Okay, rapụzi ya nke alụrụ alụ instead of demolition rapịa etu ahụ ọ dị gazie somewhere else in a virgin land, create a city. Obianọ lụrụ airport which by now na ogologo ụzọ a niile ekwesịgo ka o develop because of that airport alone, but gịnị ka ị ga-afụ? Nothing. Create ya Anioma state. I tell you what, many guys ga-esi na southeast gafeta ebe a ọ bụrụ ile ị ga-eji anya gị fịa ọlụ ga-agba aka sanụ. O nwere lawyers ga court ehienu nne ebe a and man already na-enwe na court of appeal. Federal Court of Appeal dizi na Asaba. Formerly on nke Bini ka a na-use enwe m case ya ejebe Bini mana ebuteli ebe a ọ nọ nso na mgbe ahụ ifusa lawyers ndị ga-enwesi their chambers ndị new areas ga-develop that time. Ihe niile emebekwa ebe a ifuro ndị Igbo to ndị Igbo competition adị oge eme ndị side ya ndị nọbụ na south capacity up. I'm telling you, o nwere sense ga-abata ha n'ime efu real onye Igbo, that Igbo na-esi dị ya n'ime apụta onye akọzi akụkọ Bini ife a na-emeghe influence na Bini nwere ụzọ dị dị ya, nwere onye ni way forward, but this thing ga-emefa na face it up. Thank you. So daalụ ka ncho ka anyị kwachie for the day ọfọzi abalị. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. I love you. Sharp.